Live look right now at downtown Tampa. Looking nice out there, but we know it is steamy, steamy hot. And we have cooling centers that are open in Tampa as well because we do need to be careful out there, Tyler.
Yeah, this is the time of the year that you really hope for some more clouds and some more rain than what we were just seeing out there right now. Because of all that sunshine and the humidity and the warm temperatures, makes it really uncomfortable as you step outside. We do have feels like temperatures across the area already getting into the triple digits. A lot of 100 to 110 degrees feels like temperatures already out there. 107 in Tampa right now. We got 115 in Clearwater for that heat index value, 107 in Sarasota, and also sitting at 116 in Winter Haven right now as you head further inland. So no relief anywhere right now. The warm temperatures, the humidity are going to make things dangerously warm for the rest of this afternoon. Let's switch things over to the weather wall right now. We'll take a look out there currently at what we're going to be seeing not only for today, but as we dive into the weekend too. So if we can flip on over there, we'll be able to make sure that we can get you informed on how warm these temperatures are going to be. And then what we're looking at for the weekend, which does actually bring in some higher rain chances for us too. So we are going to be seeing some higher rain chances as we get towards Saturday into Sunday and even into the beginning of next week. We will be seeing higher rain chances as our pattern does start to change a bit more in the forecast. So guys, if we can go ahead and move things over to the weather wall, we can talk a little bit more further about what we're going to be experiencing here for the next couple of days and hopefully break down that forecast hour by hour and get you in the know for what we're going to be seeing in terms of rain chances heading our way, at least for the next several days. So I'm going to move on over here, step out of the way. If we can flip things on over, guys. We switch on over to the wall. Thank you. There we go very much. All right. Here's what we're looking at out there right now. We got a lot of advisories, watches, and warnings when we talk about the heat, stretching all the way Dallas to Houston, all the way across the deep south and all into Florida. You can see a lot of those colors indicating where we do have some of these advisories going on. And that does include a heat advisory for us until 7 p.m. We mentioned this earlier. Heat index values as high as 110 degrees throughout this afternoon. I would not be surprised if some areas do get some of those heat index values close to 115 at times. On the radar, there is not a lot out there. A few clouds, a few rain showers trying to mix in. Some of these are moving right along I-75 right here. Now notice the very isolated pockets. There's no thunder and lightning with these, but there are a couple sprinkles moving through Pasco and Hernando County, even northern Hillsborough County right now towards Sonoma, Sassa. Could pick up an isolated rain shower, but temperatures already reaching into the 90s, low to middle 90s out there right now. We will be seeing that continue into this afternoon. Notice the model really showing mid to upper 90s in the forecast. Now, once as we get into the mid to late afternoon hours, because that sea breeze boundary is pushing inland, we will see our highest rain chances for our inland counties, coastal areas. Will be staying on the drier side, as you can already see that band pushing inland. Now things start to change Saturday. Saturday is kind of our transition day. Today we keep the flow out of the west. Saturday it starts to change. So what you're going to notice is that sea breeze boundary stays closer to the coast. That means some slightly higher rain chances towards Tampa Bay. Then everything moves inland. On Sunday, we're going to see more of that energy work back to the coast. So notice how our rain chances are low for today, but they will be increasing Sunday into the beginning of next week. Those are the higher rain chances that I mentioned. And that's where we need the rainfall. As our pattern flow switches back out of the east, that means higher rain chances towards the coast where we do have a lot of those drought conditions going on. Temperature-wise, we got a lot of mid to upper 90s for the next couple of days, but I want to show you this. There is some relief in the forecast, some cloud cover, some higher rain chances towards the middle and end of next week. Could keep temperatures towards the lower 90s and dropping down that feels like temperatures. So that is something to look forward to. But very warm temperatures stay with us through the weekend. We will likely see more heat advisories, even with some of those higher rain chances as we head towards next week.